The just-in-time system wants the right part at the right time and in the right amount. To meet this goal, companies must improve their setup times. Setup time is the time required for a specific machine or resource to convert from the production of the last good piece to the next piece's first good part. If this time is lengthy, it can cause setups and changeovers to take an excessive amount of time to complete. This means that flexibility is reduced, overall lead times are slower, and customer orders may face many obstacles before getting to your customer. Tracking setup time on changeovers across the board can help a company hone in and use tools like SMED or the reduce methodology, which is based on SMED, to reduce setup and changeover times. When companies begin using these two powerful methodologies, they will find that in addition to improved setup times, they will be able to produce a large variety of products in smaller lot sizes. We'll see you in the next module.